Did you know that tucked away near Kumbakonam stands one of the most revered temples of Lord Murugan, the Swami Malai Murugan temple, where the young deity became the teacher? Welcome to Swami Malai, the fourth of the six sacred abodes of Murugan, where devotion and divine mystery blend in every step. According to the legend, Lord Murugan in his childhood brilliance asked his father Shiva the meaning of the sacred Pranava mantra Om. When Brahma could not explain its significance, Murugan became the teacher and Shiva the student. That divine act took place here, giving the temple its name Swaminatha Swami, the Lord of the teacher role. The hillock of Swami Malai is thus not only a place of worship but a seat of divine wisdom. You will climb a flight of 60 stone steps, each marking one Tamil year, a symbolic journey beyond time. At the top stands the shrine of Murugan, while down below reside the shrines of Lord Shiva and Goddess Meenakshi. The hill is modest in height, yet immense in spiritual meaning. Architecturally, the temple has 3 precincts, several gopurams, a beautiful sanctum carved from granite, and detailed stonework that reflects centuries of art and devotion. The presiding deity wears golden armor and carries the divine lance veil that symbolizes piercing ignorance. The elephant mount in front of the deity, unique among Murugan temples, adds to the temple's distinctiveness. Daily worship here is structured with precision. The temple opens early with the Visvarupa Puja around 6 am, followed by Kalasandhi, Uchchikalam and evening rituals like Sayarache, Irandam Kalam and Arthajama. Devotees observe these rituals and climb the steps to the sanctum, seeking blessings of wisdom and victory. For visitors, the temple stays open for darshan from around 5 to 6 am in the morning until midday, then reopens in the late afternoon and remains open into the evening until about 8:30 to 9 pm. Traditional or modest dress is encouraged, while photography may be permitted in outer areas. Always confirm local rules for sanctum access. Every stone of Swami Malai speaks of divine teaching, youthful energy and timeless devotion. Climbing those 60 steps is more than a physical act, it is a step into spiritual awakening. The Swami Malai Murugan temple is not only an abode of Lord Murugan, it is a temple of wisdom. Have you climbed those steps or listened to the silence of the hill? Comment below and share your darshan experience or what stirred your heart at Swami Malai. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more temple stories.